everybody. Adam Bigelson here. And I wanted to tell you that Josh and I just did a presentation for the True Healing Conference. It was awesome. We were invited by Dr. Tom Cowan and Dr. Andrew Kaufman to do a presentation. And it was really cool. One of the things I just wanted to share with you real quick was the introduction we got from Andrew Kaufman was awesome. If you don't know who Andrew Kaufman is, you should. He's kind of an important guy right now as he's investigating truths. He's an expert witness on the federal level, forensic psychiatrist. And he's investigating truths, coming up with some interesting things, and he's come our direction, which is kind of neat. So we must be saying the truth. Yay! The other thing that was really neat was the reaction from Tom Cowan when he finally got to meet us. So I wanted to share those two things with you. It was kind of a neat gift for Dad, as the 13th of October is his birthday, to have us treated with such respect by people that are very respected at this point. So take a look at these couple clips and check out, we're going to be doing a workshop for the True Healing Conference. Josh and I are doing an interactive workshop. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be interesting. This upcoming Saturday the 16th. The 16th. So hopefully we'll see you there for that one. Enjoy your day, whatever you're doing.
It's been a very exciting day, and everyone has learned so much. And we have a very special final presentation for today's program, and that is Josh and Adam Bigelson, the Bigelson brothers. And they're going to talk about terrain theory in general, a topic that I've talked a lot about, and I've learned a lot of it from them. And they are essentially following in the legacy of their father, Harvey Bigelson, who is a very influential natural healer who is widely respected and had great clinical success over his 25 years in the field. And he discovered some amazing properties of blood under the microscope.
First of all, Josh and Adam, thank you, and it's great to meet you. I've been waiting for this for weeks.
Okay, cool stuff. So don't forget, we're doing our workshop coming up for the True Healing Conference. Check it out. We've got webinars. We're starting really soon, so keep an eye on our website for that. If you haven't downloaded our ebook, you should be doing that as well and checking out some of Dad's books. Learning as much as you can to educate and empower yourself so you can learn to take charge of your health care. Have yourself a good day. We'll see you soon.